Lanyards. Okay, it took me most likely like, I don't know, hours to make this. I think it's a snake knot. I can't remember. It's one of the channels that I have been, well, that I subscribed to now recently. Anyway, they taught me how to do this. Anyway, I'm making this weird looking lanyard because I want to attach it to a big knife. And in this week, sometime, I don't know when, I will be receiving a new knife, a fixed blade knife. I'm going to say it is a chisel ground knife, but there is a, what do you call it, a aha moment that you will have when you see the knife for the first time. You're going to go like, aha, that's what he meant. So yes, so I will show you that knife as soon as I receive it, and I will attach this lanyard to it. Well, that's the plan. I don't know, maybe I made it too small and then I'm going to cry quietly for a little while. Oh no, wait, I can do this. What a fantastic little thing. Okay, so anyway, so then I'm going to attach it to my new knife, and you will all say, ah, chisel ground knife, and I will be saying, yes, chisel ground knife. I think this is called a snake knot. I don't know. It's something, what makes it special, it's 2 closed loops on one lanyard, something like that. But it is quite an awesome thing. And I suppose if you practice it for a while, it will get better and you will swear less and cry less while making it. But for now, I quite like my little knot that I made here, and it looks quite cool. I might use a different kind of paracord because I don't know why I bought the red and blue. Anyway, so there we have a new type of lanyard, not just the normal standard noose that I always tie, and because it's a fixed blade, it actually makes sense to have a lanyard on here. Okay, so that's my extremely short little video for now. Stay safe, happy, and have a good one. Goodbye.